Hi, I'm Mark Griffith with Lebanon. I'd like to talk to you about a new preen item that we have this year in the fertilizer line. As you know, preen is a #1 selling weed preventer that we have, and we're extending the line now into our fertilizer. So what Preen 1 is, it's an all-in-one triple action fertilizer, weed control, and crabgrass preventer. What's nice about this is it treats crabgrass pre and post, kills over 250 broadleaf weeds, and it's also a fertilizer. So to make it easier for the consumer, it's a one-step process, they're done. Last year we launched Preen Extended Control, which is a 6-month control product as opposed to our normal Preen, which is 3 months. This has an additional active ingredient in it that gives you that extra control, which is great for long-term. Basically, use it once in the season and you're done for the rest of the year. You only have to apply it one time. In addition to the success, again, of the bottle, we are introducing now 2 new sizes. This is a 1,600 square foot bag, and we are also introducing a 2,200 square pail. Same great product, 6-month control, now available in a pail. And as with the different size products, consumers are always looking for a different size depending on how much area they want to treat. The bags are great, they stand up, they're great to put on your shelf to merchandise easily. The pails are great because you can display them outside. They're all weatherproof.